got Angelica, Brienne, and Pauline. Palakpakan po natin. Finally got a song perfect for Coach Martin. Very marupok. Do you know what it means?
What does maripok mean?
It's marupok.
Marupok yung kahit alam mo namang mali, pero pag sinabi na niya sa'yong mahal kita, kahit hindi naman totoo, maniniwala ka kasi nga marupok ka.
Oh! Yun mismo. Bago natin alamin ang mga komento ni Coach KZ, kakatok muna tayo sa pintuan ng ibang mga coaches para malaman ang kanilang saloobin.
Nakita ko, you try to draw that energy from Coach KZ, di ba? Kanya-kanya kayo, nagbigay ng highlights eh. Pero kung ako pipili, I would go with Brienne. Yun na.
Brienne.
Thank you.
Mahirap gawin ang isang kanta ni KZ Tandingan. At ginawa nyo. There's a KZ in each of you. Pero kung ako yung coach, who was a little bit more KZ than the other, for me, it was Pauline.
Pauline.
For me, ha?
Naman.
For me.
Okay, Coach Martin.
But the choice is yours, baby.
I'm so proud of the three of you. Iba-iba kayo ng binigay. Nung sinabi ko sa inyo na loosen up, move with the music, commit to every single element of the song, nandun agad kayo. Nakita ko talaga yung growth nyo. The only reason why I'm picking this particular artist, today lang, parang mas naramdaman ko lang na kinommand niya yung stage. Ang teen artist na pipiliin ko ay si...
One.
Good luck, girls. Coach KZ.
So sorry, I'm so sorry, I'm so sorry, I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry, I'm so sorry, I'm so sorry, I'm so sorry. Si Brienne.
Brienne! Moving on to the knockout.
Wow.
Brienne, pwede mo nang lapitan si Coach KZ? Coach Bamboo and Coach Martin, Angelica and Pauline are now up for steal. With that, palabakan po natin ang Team Supreme.